My favorite things about being back in North Dakota is just the lighting is better. There's something about the sun just reflecting off the snow that really just gives a nice glow to the skin. I'm going to put blonde hair on today. I think it'll go with the fit. I'm also going to put on a red lipstick because obvious. Got a Jedha in the Sharpay coloring, so let me check my suitcase. I know that I have the natural CBB. I kind of left in a flurry and a whirlwind. My poor wigs. I think it's this one. The story, I'm obviously like on a specific color trend here. I really did not go outside of any sort of comfort zone when I packed these wigs. So happy about cutting my hair off. It has made wig wearing so much easier. I just throw on my wig cap and I don't have to braid my hair anymore. So all in all, a good decision. You guys have been loving the Swiss lace, which makes my heart so happy. It's always fun to just do different things, kind of go out of my normal realm of just my lace. The Swiss is incredibly transparent. I actually have an alarm set in my phone saying to order more Swiss. So if there's any specific things that you guys are looking for in a Swiss lace style, let me know because definitely in like ordering mode right now. Rip this tag off, forehead in. Wait for it. One more time. Yes. Oh my gosh. That Swiss is crazy. Also, if you're watching this on December 26th, we are extending our 20% off. So scoring 20% off on a Swiss lace is pretty rad. Where I put on my red lipstick, I'm going to be a good girl and actually put some of these back. This is the natural CBB. This is gorgeous too. Actually, let me throw it on momentarily. Today when we were leaving our yurt, yes, I stayed in a yurt. I put on this big slouchy dress and I'd already put my bra away. So all I had to do was just wear the slouchy dress and then the wig covered. So nobody knew. And my grandma was like, don't you look spiffy? I'm like, if only you knew. Natural CBB, Jedha. Oh my God. Everything. Okay, we're putting the blonde one back on though. Keep those nuts, y'all. They are not created equally. We've bought bulk on Amazon too. They're just not stretchy enough. So keep your nuts. I'm gonna throw Cassie on quick. This has been my travel crown. She is such a perfect length. Still available. Just easy peasy. Now for the lips, which I really trigger people when I do my lipstick. I just embrace my lip shape and people sometimes don't really appreciate that, but I do. I like, you know, like Taylor said, draw cat eye sharp enough to kill a man. I'm like, get the peaks as sharp as possible. Going into my Fenty, and this stuff gets all over my teeth, so let me be really careful when I do this. Giving Ariel right now. Here we go. Is anyone else holding their breath? In fact, these two nails literally burst off of my fingers right before the Mega Live, so I grabbed two press-ons and then I had to left-hand it, and I think it worked, but I am considering going and getting my nails done before I go home. So ta-da! Here is the look. We love her. Get her. Again, if it's December 26th, there is code HOLIDAY20 to save 20% off on the website.